and welcome to The Line of Sight. Here are the top stories of the day. Supreme Court reserves Ayodhya case verdict for November. Former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram arrested by the Enforcement Directorate after questioning at Tihar jail. India stands 102nd in Global Hunger Index, lower than Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Public sector banks went through its worst phase under Manmohan Singh and Raghuram Rajan, says Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. 17-year-old Mumbai batsman Yashasvi Jaiswal becomes the youngest double centurion in one-day cricket. Bajaj brings back the iconic Chetak in electric edition. It was a day of high drama at the Supreme Court as the arguments in the Ayodhya case drew to a close. The bench headed by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi reserved its verdict and gave the counsels 3-day time to file written submissions. The arguments have been going on for last 40 days. During the hearing, Rajiv Dhawan, representing the Muslim petitioners including the Sunni Waqf Board, tore up a map of Ayodhya. Following commotion and interruptions, Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi even threatened to walk out. The court is expected to announce its verdict in the 134-year-old Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case before Justice Gogoi leaves the office on November 17th. The Enforcement Directorate arrested P. Chidambaram in connection with the INX Media money laundering case after questioning him in Tihar jail. The arrest comes a day after a special court agreed to agency's request for his custodial interrogation. The 74-year-old Congress leader has spent about 55 days in CBI and judicial custody till now. India is behind Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka in a list of 117 countries in the Global Hunger Index. India has fallen from 55th position in 2014 to 102nd in this year. In fact, India is even below war-torn African countries like Niger and Sierra Leone. Soon after the report was released, opposition leaders took to social media to criticize the government. Hitting back at the former Reserve Bank of India Governor Raghuram Rajan, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman alleged that the Indian public sector banks had their worst phase under Manmohan Singh Raghuram Rajan team. According to the RBI, bad loans of public sector banks rose from Rs 9,190 crore in 2011-2012 to Rs 2.16 lakh crore in 2013-2014. 17-year-old left-handed batsman Yashasvi Jaiswal became the youngest cricketer to score a double century after smashing 203 against Jharkhand in the ongoing Vijay Hazare Trophy. Opening the innings for Mumbai, the teenager slammed 17 fours and 12 sixes in his maiden double hundred in just 154 deliveries. Jaiswal also became only the third batsman after Sanju Samson and KV Kaushal to score a double hundred in the tournament. He also shattered Alan Barrow's long-standing record of being the youngest double centurion in a 50-over game. Bajaj Auto is all set to bring back its iconic Chetak in an uploaded electric version. Sales of the all-new Chetak will commence from January next year, with Pune and Bengaluru being part of the initial rollout. Chetak, being the poster child of the middle-class families from the 70s, had lost its relevance in the later decades. For more news updates, keep watching The Federal. Don't forget to subscribe us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn.